Every month, millions of people quietly lose money. Not because they're out buying lavish things, but because they're trapped paying for software they barely even use. A design app, a writing assistant, a meeting tool, a note-taking app. Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're looking at the hidden leaks in your workflow and exactly how to permanently seal them.
Look closely at your bank statements for a second. Ask yourself, where is your money quietly disappearing? Individually, these subscriptions don't seem like much. $10 here, $15 there, maybe $20 a month for some research platform. You sign up, you use it once for a project, and then you just forget about it.
But together, these small, forgotten expenses quietly drain hundreds of dollars from your accounts every single year. The crazy part is, most people don't even realize it's happening. These subscriptions just renew automatically long after you've stopped opening the apps. It's literally a silent tax on your productivity. Fortunately, AI has quietly changed this. Over the last 2 years, artificial intelligence has evolved to completely replace many of these expensive legacy tools. In fact, some of these new AI apps are actually far better than the software we're still paying for. And the best part, many of them are completely free. So we're going to walk through the exact tools that can genuinely reduce your monthly expenses by up to $500. No gimmicks, just the actual systems used by top creators, freelancers, and Fortune 500 teams. Section 1. Automating research and discovery. Replacing expensive research tools with AI. Before you can produce anything of value, you have to gather information. And gathering information takes an immense amount of time and capital. Imagine spending hours reading complex research papers, meeting notes, heavy PDFs, or hundreds of pages of technical documentation. Now, imagine an AI that just reads everything for you. That's notebooklm. Instead of paying for expensive, clunky research software, you simply upload your files. The AI summarizes it all. It answers your very specific questions. It can even turn your documents into a conversational podcast you can listen to while you're driving. For a lot of people, notebooklm entirely replaces several paid research and note-taking tools. The estimated savings here, a conservative $15 to $30 every single month. But this is really just the beginning, because the next tool does something that Google still actively struggles with. Think about your daily workflow. Whenever you need an answer to something, where do you go? You go to a search engine. But as we all know, searching the web just isn't what it used to be. It's become a massive drain on our time. Usually, you search for a simple answer and you're immediately forced to scroll through sponsored ads, SEO-stuffed articles, affiliate websites, and endless clickbait. Perplexity AI works completely differently. Instead of giving you a list of links, it just gives you the answer, with cited sources. Imagine you're asking for the best budget video editing laptop. Instead of opening 10 different tabs and getting overwhelmed, Perplexity compares everything, shows its exact sources, and gives you a complete, unbiased answer in seconds. If your work depends on finding information quickly, this saves you hours. And time, of course, is money. Section 2. Replacing expensive design subscriptions. AI for visual workflows. If you think saving research time is impressive, wait until you see how much capital is wasted on visual workflows. Companies spend thousands of dollars a year creating things that can now be generated in literally seconds. Think about the last presentation you made. How long did that actually take you? 2 hours? An entire day? Imagine just describing your presentation in one single sentence and watching Gamma AI build the entire professional deck in less than a minute, complete with beautiful layouts, images, and fully editable content. Marketing agencies use this, sales teams use it, startup founders use it right before investor meetings. If you've ever paid a freelancer to create slides or paid a monthly fee for premium presentation software, this tool replaces that expense entirely. The estimated yearly savings? Anywhere between $100 and $500, depending on your usage. But presentations aren't even the biggest hidden expense in visual work. Things get even better, and the savings really multiply when you start automating everyday graphic design. Just a few years ago, creating professional graphics meant hiring a dedicated designer or spending hours trying to learn complicated software. Today, you just describe what you want using Canva AI, a YouTube thumbnail, a flyer for your business, a clean Instagram post. It generates it within minutes. If you're a creator or a small business owner, this easily replaces multiple premium design subscriptions, putting about $15 to $30 back into your pocket every single month. Section 3. Your free AI writing team. From heavy reading to perfect scripts. Presentations and graphics are definitely expensive, but writing is the silent capital drain for almost every business. Most people use AI just to write simple, boring emails, but Claude AI can do so much more than that. Instead of paying for separate writing tools and expensive editors, imagine uploading a 200-page business contract. Claude doesn't just give you a basic summary, it actually understands the context. It remembers deep details, and it explains incredibly complicated information to you like you're talking to a highly paid expert consultant. That capability alone easily replaces $20 to $50 of software expenses every single month. And then there's chatgpt. Everyone knows the name, but very few people actually know how to use it properly. Most users just pop in, ask a few random questions, and leave. Professionals use it completely differently. A travel itinerary, a high-stakes negotiation email, a detailed business proposal, a full marketing strategy. Instead of paying a whole team of different experts, you get a professional starting point in seconds. It becomes a researcher, a copywriter, and an assistant, all working together seamlessly. But here's the problem. Most people stop right here. They think ChatGPT is the best AI available and that the journey just ends with text generation. It doesn't. The final tools we're about to explore, well, they change everything. Many people are out there paying for premium AI models without even realizing that Google offers incredibly capable models right inside Google AI Studio, often at literally zero cost for developers and creators. And what about audio? Professional voiceovers used to be highly expensive. You'd have to book talent, rent a studio. Now, tools like ElevenLabs provide AI voices that sound breathtakingly natural. Whether you're creating online courses or marketing ads, it dramatically cuts your production costs by completely eliminating the need to hire voice actors. Section 4. Eliminating repetitive admin tasks. The quiet money drain. So, we've covered research, design, and writing. But design actually isn't where businesses lose the most money. Repetitive manual work is. Imagine manually copying customer information, sending out standard emails, and updating spreadsheets every single day. Now imagine all of it happening completely automatically in the background. That is exactly what N8N does. It connects your favorite apps together. A form gets filled out, an email is automatically sent. Your CRM updates itself. Zero manual work. Businesses pay hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars in labor just for these mundane admin tasks. Automation quietly eliminates them. Section 5. The ultimate free workflow. Stacking AI for maximum efficiency. The absolute biggest mistake people make with this technology is constantly searching for the best AI tool. There isn't one single magical tool. The people who are saving the most money build a simple, stacked workflow. You research with Perplexity, you organize your findings with notebooklm, you write your content with chatgpt, you design with Canva, and you automate the whole process with NN. Suddenly, 5 expensive, fragmented subscriptions become one unified, highly efficient workflow. You're effectively replacing an entire software ecosystem, and you're doing it for free. Artificial intelligence isn't just about creating flashy images or writing faster emails. It's quietly changing how people spend their money. Every unnecessary subscription you cancel, every tedious task you automate, every hour you save, it all compounds over time. Most people think AI replaces jobs. The truth is, it replaces unnecessary monthly bills first. Before we go, ask yourself this. Are your tools actually working for you, or are you just working to pay for your tools? If even one tool from today's explainer replaces a monthly subscription for you, then this deep dive has already paid for itself. If you want practical insights without all the exhausting hype, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next explainer, where we're going to break down 7 AI tools that replace $1,000 worth of software.